Hey guys, it's Cassie. So today I'm going to be doing the inversion method. Those of you who don't know what the inversion method, I think is it the inversion method? It's called the inversion treatment, the inversion technique. I don't know, but I think it is the inversion method. Basically, what it is, it's a method that is supposed to make your hair grow. It's a 1 week process, and I've heard a lot of people saying that it works. I have actually tried to do this, but I've never actually committed to the full week, but now I'm committed and I'm gonna do it. And every time I would try to record it, but I always stop short because, like I said, I never actually did the full week. But now I'm committed, I'm gonna do it, and I really want to see if this works because my hair is at a length that I'm very happy with now. Obviously I want it longer, but you know, I do want it just a tad bit longer just so I can be 100% happy with it until it actually grows out. But anyway, so basically what you have to do is you have to get some oil and heat it up. I'm going to be using coconut oil. This is pure extra virgin organic coconut oil, and you're supposed to heat it up. Here I have already heated up. I'm just waiting for it to cool down so I can start. Please, although this is a bit obvious, but you know, maybe you might not think. Once when I tried to do this, one of the 1,000 times I tried to do this, I actually once heated the oil in a plastic pot. Please be careful, I burned. It just, when I took it out the microwave, the plastic was bubbling. It was black all over and bubbling, so please be careful. So I hope my mom doesn't really watch this video because I didn't really tell her that I destroyed her pot. But anyway, so yes, you want to heat up the oil, massage it into your hair for around 2 minutes, and then you want to massage it into your hair whilst you are flipped upside down for 4 minutes. So you're supposed to do this every day for 1 week and only once a month. You can't do this every week. So it's like once every 4 weeks you do this for a week. I've seen lots of people doing it differently. I've seen people do the oil once and then the rest of the days they do massage their hair and then flip it over but without the oil. You know, I think it depends. And the people who have done it without the oil, it seemed to have worked, but they said that maybe it would have worked better with the oil. I don't know, but I'm just going to do the full method, which is with the oil. You shouldn't shampoo your hair every day. So today my hair is actually in need of a wash, so I will be washing it today. If you can't tell, it is very, very dirty, but I didn't think it made sense for me to wash it to then do this video because I'm gonna wash it anyway. So my hair is very dirty, so I will be shampooing it today, but like the other days I'm just gonna be rinsing the coconut oil out really, really well and just conditioning and all that. I'm gonna do the full week with oil because, well, you know, it won't hurt my hair to give it some oil love. So that's basically it. There's not really much to it. So every day you want to heat up some oil, you know, obviously not too hot. Don't burn yourself with the oil, please be careful. And in a glass pot, please. This is in a mug, but anyway, massage it into your hair, like really massage it into your scalp for 2 minutes, and then do the same thing flipped upside down. I will be showing you guys me doing this every day for 1 week. I have heard, just quickly before I start, when you flip your head downwards, if you start feeling dizzy or sick, or if you don't feel normal, come back slowly, don't like rush up. If that does happen to you, maybe do like half a flip. You don't flip your head all the way downwards, just like halfway, you know. So there are some like warning points which I will put down in the description because I don't know them off by heart now. Please read that before you do try this. But yeah, anyway, so because my hair, I do have a lot of hair, my hair is very fluffy and I curled it the other day, I will be straightening my hair so it is 100% straight, so I can then measure my hair so then we can compare at the end of the week. Now my hair is very, very straight and I'm going to measure it. So I think the best way to do this is just that I'm going to part it down the middle like so. And I'm going to get the tape measure. I'm going to put it like behind my ear. The metal bit like right tight. This bit like really, because we want an accurate measuring. Right behind my ear. And I'm going to get, so it's parted, and I'm going to get the back bit, and and just try and measure that. Hold on. So it's here. So I've got a mirror there, that's why I'm looking over there. So I'm going to get the longest bit here. Head straight, hair straight. So my hair is around 20 centimeters. Just want to do that again just to be sure, so we don't get like inaccurate measurements. Yeah, okay, so I can see from the mirror that my hair is around, from my ear to here, it's around 20 centimeters. So we have 20 centimeters and we are going to see how long it is by the end of the week. I've read that, you know, when you've done massaging it into your hair, you can just, you know, leave the oil in your hair for around 2 hours. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and do that every day. I will put the oil in my hair every day, but I'm going to try and like do it in the evenings when I know that I'm not going to do anything, so I can just leave it in my hair, you know, because, you know, to really make my hair nice and strong, because my hair, you know, it won't hurt my hair to get some oil treatment and all that. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to time it on my phone, 2 minutes massaging into the scalp and then 2 minutes flipped over, and I'm going to record that every single day for 1 week, and then I will show you guys the result in a week with the before and after pictures. Okay, so the 1 week process is over. Just before I show you guys the results, I just want to say something quickly. I actually recorded the results 1 day after I finished the whole 1 week. But as I was editing, I realized that at the beginning, when I measured my hair and took the before pictures, my hair was very oily. When your hair is dirty and oily, it makes your hair a lot flatter, which makes it appear longer. Although I did see some results with clean hair, I didn't think it would be fair, you know, so I decided to not wash my hair for a few days so I can make like a fair before and after comparison. And you can see the difference in my bangs. I mean, I can't even see. Like with clean hair, I can't see with my bangs, and now with it like oily and stuff, I cannot see. it's like in my eyes. So I've actually been wearing it to the side. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna cut my fringe again or not. I don't know, I'm still, you know, thinking about that. So yeah, let's just get to what really matters, which is the measurements. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing again. Part my hair down the middle. Get the metal bit and put it behind my ear. Get the back bit. Okay, so my hair seems to be at 21 centimeters. At the beginning it was at 20 centimeters and now it's at 21. So it did grow 1 centimeter. Just do it again. Yep, my hair is at 21 centimeters, so it actually did work. Not as much as I was hoping it would, but you know, maybe that's just too good to be true, because there are some people who claim that their hair grew 2 inches, 4 inches. My hair grew like half an inch in a week, but you know, but my hair usually grows an inch, half an inch every month, so to actually have that growth in a week, you know, it's not too bad, not too bad. Like I said, this does advertise to grow a lot more in a week, but it worked. I was actually scared that I did this for a whole week and at the end I would see no results, but I'm happy that I at least did get some result, which is good. So yeah, so as you can see, this does work. Next month I am gonna try and do the whole week thing again, but without the oil, because it was a bit annoying having to put oil in my hair every single day and wash my hair every single day. Although I did not shampoo my hair every single day, but you know, it's still annoying. You have to dry your hair and just too much. I got a bit lazy, but I did it. I committed to the full week and I'm glad I did, because now I know. Now maybe it's different for other people. If you try this, your hair may not grow, or your hair may grow like 10 centimeters or half a centimeter, or like me, a full centimeter. But I'm actually quite happy that it grew. I'm actually going to measure it again. I mean, I'm actually still a bit. Yep, 21 centimeters, a bit past 21, but it's almost at 22 centimeters, which is great. So I'm very, very happy it worked. And but you guys will be able to see with the before and after pictures, I think, a bit better. So yeah, that's basically it, you guys. This was the inversion method. As you can see, it does work. It obviously didn't work as much as it is advertised to work, but you know, what can you do? I guess everyone is different, and I will definitely be trying this once a month, because my hair is getting so, and I can actually see a difference. Like I can see my hair is a lot longer. Well, not a lot longer, but I don't know. But my hair is growing so fast and I'm so happy, and it's getting so healthy, and the oil in my hair for a whole week was great, because my hair is a lot healthier and stronger, and it actually needs a wash. But I'm actually going to be dyeing my hair after this video, and I will record it for you guys. But that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, found it helpful. If you do try this, make sure to take before and after pictures, because I really want to see, you know, my hair grew a centimeter. I want to see if there's anyone who actually does grow like 4 inches. I've seen someone who says that they actually grew 4 inches. I don't know if that's possible, or if it's true, but you know, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every Wednesday, so I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Bye!